Yeah, welcome back. I already passed where we went to last year, so just trucking along. This stuff is pretty easy compared to what we did on some of the BDR. This is jokes maglopes, just long 8 kilometers of this. Didn't kind of plan on coming up this way till 2 days ago when I realized my brother was still in Revelstoke, but yeah. This is not bad at all. Not bad at all. The view at the top will be worth our slog here for a little while here. Yeah, a little bit of rock. It's not bad. Tractor up, KTM. Woo! Get out of the way, bush chicken. Jeez Louise. I tried to get my foot down there. Get out of the way, you dummy. These last couple switchbacks are a little loose. The rear tire to come around. There we go. Oh, this is a bad line choice already. Clutch and holy switchbacks. Jesus. Yeah, I can see why they have a parking lot down there for those that just wish to hike the final section. Woo! There we go. God, that feels good, baby. Oh, there's a fire over there. Woo! Yeah, she's fucking rocky, all right. She's kind of dragging the rear brake down here. It's pretty steep now, mellowing out pretty good there. Alrighty. Yeah, that's a fun little climb right at the very end. Pretty fun little descent there. The switchbacks up at the top are pretty steep. We got a couple more switchbacks to deal with here on the way down. We're stopping here for a very particular reason. It's not a great spot to stop, but hey, we found them. Yes, sunglasses recovered. That is big news. Those things are $10 gas station sunglasses, but they held tremendous sentimental value as they've been with me and lost several times on this trip. Jesmond complete. Woo! Making our way down to the reaction ferry. You can see the road. We're going to go up on the other side. Pretty crazy country around here. It always is awe-inspiring every time I come back to the Fraser River Canyon and the Chilcotin region. If you watch the Idaho and Washington series, you'll know that a place I drew a lot of comparisons to while I was riding in those areas, and you can see really why it's you know, one of its own. It's close too, but I don't think anything is the same, quite the same as this. But yeah, it's really awesome spot. Big Bar Ferry, there we go. All right, well, here we are climbing out of Big Bar. This road is no joke. Definitely would not want to be coming down here when it's muddy. You can see the ruts that have developed. Whoa, that is some sand. Holy. Yeah. It's that sand that'll bite you. So now on the West Pavillion Rd, some pretty awesome views. This is a neat road. You kind of zigzag all over the place. It dumps you out behind Lillooet. We'll see the highway on the opposite side of the Fraser on the way in, but pretty awesome views. Road's in amazing condition. But yeah, just putzing along here, enjoying the view. I've never been up on this road before. I've looked at it forever and never come up. But this is the trip. We got the time. This looks just fantastic country. And all of a sudden, I am back in Idaho. I'm just having deja vu of like Magruder, except the road is much better here. Idaho is fantastic, but my God, does this ever look exactly the same? Like, these are burned trees and not beetle kill, but I think some of the ones in Magruder were burned as well. This road is considerably nicer, I can tell you that much, although there is some ruts from where it's been wet. It's crazy. Like, if you've ridden Idaho, instantly you'll be like, wait, this isn't there? It's all good? You want water or anything? You need some water or anything? You good? Alright. Yeah, cheers. I always offer water to people that I see in the woods. Oh, here's their truck, so they're not too far up. It's always good to offer like pedal bikes, hikers, any of those folks some water if you pass them, just because it's a lot quicker for me to get to somewhere and get more water than it is for them to get somewhere and get water. Should be all good to make it to Lillooet. Might stop for a bite to eat there. It's just noon now. Been a lot today. So we're paralleling the highway up the Fraser Canyon now, just past the ranch. They were doing a bunch of road work, and I don't know what they were doing, but it was not seeming to be improving the road at all. They're doing something. Yeah, we're gonna get some pretty good views coming down the switchbacks on the front side here in a bit. Oh, it's a bit of a drop there. Pretty crazy country here. You can see the highway kind of snaking along the far bank. That's what you normally take into Lillooet. This is a much more exciting way of doing things, I will tell you that much. Looking down, we can start to see some signs of life there. I think that's either the outskirts of Lillooet or the Pavillion Reservation, First Nations community down there. That was a good overland version of the highway. We still got another 19 kilometers. Okay, that's not the outskirts of Lillooet. Lillooet is like over through there. I got confused for a moment. So if I had referred to my GPS at all, that would have told me that that is the Fountain First Nations. Really coming down out of the mountains now. We're down to 1,700 feet. We're up in the threes for a lot of that. Pretty desolate stretch of road. There's a bunch of ranches and stuff on it, but saw only those couple guys walking. Their buddy in the truck waiting, and that one vehicle we just passed. It's looking back up where we just come from. The mighty Fraser. You'll see these little camps down here. Those are traditional salmon fishing, I believe. Fraser's a big salmon river. Oh, nice one. What gear are we in? Not first. Well, that would make some sense then. Just arriving into Lillooet. One of my favorite places in British Columbia, actually. I haven't spent a lot of time around here, but I really just enjoy the area, and therefore I enjoy the town. But we're gonna go grab something to eat at the there's a roadhousey kind of thing here. But yeah, definitely come check out Lillooet. It's like one of the coolest little places in British Columbia for sure. The climate here is unbelievable. It's like got a mix of mountains, kind of high plateau ranch lands, you know, river canyons, you name it. It's got some sort of landscape, and you can go 20 kilometers up Highway 99 towards Pemberton, and you get a whole different climate. Or you can do what I'm going to do, which is go up Carpenter Lake, and you get, well, more mountains actually. Lots and lots and lots of mountains.